Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to make a delicious homemade potato salad. Here's what you'll need. For large potatoes, boiled and diced. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. A quarter cup of diced red onion. A quarter cup of diced celery. 2 hard-boiled eggs, chopped. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh chopped parsley for garnish. In a large mixing bowl, combine the diced potatoes, chopped eggs, diced red onion, and diced celery. In a separate bowl, whisk together the mayonnaise and Dijon mustard until it's smooth and creamy. Now, pour the dressing over the potato mixture and gently fold everything together until the potatoes are evenly coated. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. Once everything is nicely mixed, pop it in the fridge for at least an hour. Garnish your potato salad with some fresh chopped parsley. And there you have it, a delicious homemade potato salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes like this one.